Welcome back. As promised, let's talk commodities. Manisha is now joining in and she's going to be focusing on the revised wastage and input-output norms for gold, silver and jewellery exports. Manisha, please explain it to us.
Well, yes. This is quite interesting, and almost everybody buys jewellery and there are a lot of listed companies as well. So this is quite an interesting one that comes in from DGFT and pretty much on expected lines on this one. So, wastage is something that jewelers do tend to charge to their customers right now, and it is a part of their profit. And every jeweler does put it as a different calculation in sense of wastage. So until now, for gold, silver and platinum, when it comes to the weightage of it, the DGFT has amended it this and tightened it, by the way. So if you're looking at plain gold or plain platinum, plain silver jewelry, earlier the wastage that was allowed was 2.5%. Now that has been cut to 0.5%. So if you are buying 10 grams of jewelry, let's say, it is earlier the jeweler could charge you 2.5% of wastage on this 10 grams. Now they can charge only 0.5% on that. And if you were buying studded jewelry or for gold, silver and platinum, again, the wastage that the jeweler could charge you was 5%. Now it's less than a percentage point. Same goes for the gold and metals and coins as well, medallions, etc. So earlier it was 0.2%. Now the wastage that they can calculate and charge you is 0.1%. So that's pretty interesting now, because it is disappointing clearly for the smaller jewelers, but for a consumer point of view, this is quite on the positive side. The other thing that the DGFT has come out in sense of a notification is about specification of the precious metal that is exported, and in lieu of that, what you are importing, that in turn also has to be given quite clearly. So there are some gaps or some loopholes that the industry had earlier, and the higher wastage norm that they were working with, that clearly seems to have ended right now.
Thank you, Manisha, for that. We will slip into a break on that note. On the other side, we'll invite a corporate on trading, our Ganesha Ecosphere, to discuss the company's Q4 earnings and the way forward. Stay tuned.